Question number 1, all of you look here. There is given proof that sec a minus 1 divided by sec a plus 1. And right side there is given 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So we can convert here. Means first we'll take here LHS side, sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1. So in place of sec, what we can write according to formula, we can write here 1 by cos minus 1. Then again sec a, so here we can write 1 by cos a and plus 1. Then we'll take LCM cos a, and 1 by 1 is here, so we'll get called LCM cos a. Okay, then here since cos into 1 we are getting cos, so 1 into 1 here we'll get 1 itself here. Then 1 is here, means 1 by 1, so denominator there is 1 into cos, so again 1 into cos here, so we'll get here cos a. Okay, then in denominator you try to understand, LCM will get here again cos a, so 1 by cos, so there is no changing, so we'll write here 1. Then here 1 by 1 is here. Okay, so what we'll get here, 1 into cos we are doing, so we are getting cos a, so 1 into cos, again cos a. Okay, so here we can reduce cos a and cos a, and what you are getting, 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a, and that is equal to RHS side. That's all. Then 5 number you look here, sine to the power 4 minus cos to the power 4a, and RHS side 2 sine square a minus 1. So let us take LHS side here, then we'll convert it into formula of a square minus b square. Power 4 is here, so 2, and again power 2, 4 here. Then we'll write in formula of a plus b into a minus b. Then sine square a and plus cos square a, it is in formula. So here we'll write 1, then 1 into sine square a and minus cos square a will get the same here. Okay, so I have written here sine square a minus cos square a. Then according to RHS side we have to convert it, so in place of cos square a, according to formula what we can write, 1 minus sine square a. Okay, then minus into 1 minus 1, and minus into minus plus sine square a. So sine square plus sine square equal to 2 sine square and minus 1, and that is equal to RHS side. Then one more question you look here, question number 10, sec square a plus cosec square a equal to sec square a into cosec square a. And let us take LHS side here, so sec square a plus cosec square a. So sec we can write 1 by cos square, and sine we can write 1 by sine square, and we will take LCM, what we will get, cos and sine we are getting here. Okay, then cos square a and sine square a divided by which one, means both their LCM will got here cos square a into sine square a. Then when it divided by cos square a, what will remain, sine. Then sine square into 1, what will remain here, sine square a. Then for second one you understand, this LCM will be divided by sine square a, what will remain, cos square. Then cos square into 1 will be cos square a, no doubt here. Then sine square plus cos square equal to 1 according to formula. Then according to cos what we get, sec we get, and 1 by sine we get cosec here, no doubt, and that is equal to RHS here.